Hello guys, the ExpressVPN browser extension enhances your online privacy by allowing you to control your VPN directly. Here's how you can activate it. So, for Chrome, visit ExpressVPN Chrome extension page and add it to Chrome. So you can simply search for Web Store, hit enter. Now, click on Chrome Web Store. After you do this, search for ExpressVPN. Hit enter and install the ExpressVPN proxy for better internet. Now, click on Get button, click on Add extension, and this will instantly add ExpressVPN as an extension on your browser. Click on the extension icon at the top. Now, click on the ExpressVPN extension. It will open up this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on Open Desktop App. After you do this, you will see this page where you can click on Get 30-day free trial or Sign in. So basically, you'll have to enter your ExpressVPN account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be able to control your VPN directly from the extension. In the extension, click the power button to turn on the VPN. So you can click on this button, click on ExpressVPN. Now, in the extension, click the power button to turn on the VPN. As you can see, this is the power button. When I choose a smart location, I can choose any location I want, and this will instantly connect me to that specific location. So select a server location from the list or use a smart location feature for optimal choice. Once connected, your browser traffic will be secure. Now, activating the ExpressVPN browser extension provides an additional layer of privacy and control over your online activities. By following these steps, you can easily set it up and enhance your browsing security. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.